Hi all, welcome to Reagan Language Academy for NATI. I am going to explain about few of the most common mistakes made in NATI CCL. The first common mistake is forgetting to ask for the repetitions or corrections. We can ask for one repetition per dialogue and which will not earn any penalty, but for additional requests it can take 1 point out of your total 45 points. And also the rephrasing or corrections does not cost any marks, but because of the tight schedules you have to finish the exams within 15 or 20 minutes. So asking for corrections as many may affect your total time taken. So you may not be able to complete your exams on time. So we recommend asking for one repetition per dialogue so it will not lose any points, and also reduce your corrections as per each dialogues. Next one is long pauses. NATI recommends we should not interpret immediately after hearing the chime at the end of each segment. However, there is no information about the pause we can make. So we recommend just start your dialogues within 4 to 5 seconds after you hear the chime. Asking for too many repetitions and rephrasing corrections. There is no common misunderstanding that since there is, unlike repetitions, no negative markings for rephrasing corrections, one can do this as many times. But the fact NATI considers excessive in their own sense, try keep 3 corrections per dialogue in general. The other major mistakes people do is like focus on note taking. So they rather focus more on note taking and they miss concept of the story. So always try to shorten whatever you are taking. So maybe I will give a video on note taking, like short sentence and everything. So what we suggest is like basically everything, the note taking and everything is to improve your understanding of the sentence. So mostly just take whatever the important points and write down the keywords and later construct the sentence while you are interpreting.
One of the other mistake is poor handwriting, which is on your note taking. Once you take the notes, it should be in a proper reading format which you can easily understand. This will not affect the oral fluency also. Usually when people have very bad handwriting, there will be a confusion to understand what you wrote. So write less and keep it neat.
One of the major aspect of NATI is your vocabulary. So if you miss one of words, you may stuck on the whole sentence. So it also affects your fluency and the total information you provide. So always try to improve your vocabulary.
I will be posting more videos on vocabulary on my coming sessions.
This is one of the major mistake also which people are doing, like converting to the same language, either English to English or Malayalam to Malayalam. So how you can avoid this confusion is by a simple solution. Write 2E or 2M on all the note takings to separate the segments you are taking, which will avoid you to make any confusions.
Not practicing enough dialogues is also one of the other major mistakes of candidates who do. You have to practice as much as dialogues as you can. I have got almost around 50 dialogues and I will be posting more videos on my upcoming videos. I have finished with the mistakes which people usually do. The other tip is to develop your shortcuts. So while taking your notes, you can actually use all the shortcuts to save your precious time during the exam. I will be posting more videos on this note taking techniques also. Thanks for watching this video.